Good morning, students. Today we will do our next chapter of English Grammar, chapter 9, the article. I hope you have already read what an article in before previous classes. Okay, but we will do it from the beginning, don't worry. Okay, let's start reading. The words a, an, and the are called articles. There are two kinds of articles: indefinite articles and definite articles. Indefinite में कौन से होते हैं? A and an, और definite में the. Okay. Indefinite articles a and an do not point to a particular person, place, or a thing. Definite article the suggests a particular person, place, or thing. देखो, the is used for definite. The is a definite article, तो it is used for something particular. मतलब किसी particular इंसान का नाम, like the ताज महल, the शाहजहाँ, the आगरा. Okay, like that. Whereas indefinite articles किसी एक चीज़, particular चीज़ के लिए यूज़ नहीं करते हैं. You can use it for anything जो particular ना हो, और अगर particular है तो we will use the use of indefinite articles. Okay, first, indefinite articles a and an are used before singular countable nouns. मतलब singular हो और countable noun हो, उनके आगे a और an लगते हैं. Now you know ना what where a and where an comes. A comes before the consonant sound and an comes before a vowel sound. Okay, next, second, a and an are used according to the sound of the countable nouns before which they are placed. Article a is used before a singular countable noun starting with the consonant sound. A gate, a house, a wall, a window. ये सब कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड है, इसमें वॉवल साउंड नहीं है, एंड हेंस और सिंगुलर भी है और काउंटेबल भी है, इसलिए ए आएगा. नेक्स्ट, बट देयर आर सर्टेन नाउन्स दैट स्टार्ट विथ वॉवल बट टेक आर्टिकल ए बिफोर देम. सी, ज़रूरी नहीं है वॉवल से स्टार्ट हो रहा है तो उसका स्टार्टिंग साउंड वॉवल हो, मतलब उसका साउंड वॉवल हो, नहीं. कई बार वॉवल से शुरू होने के बाद भी साउंड कॉन्सोनेंट का होता है, लाइक यूनियन, इट इज़ य, वाई साउंड इज कमिंग. ओके, इट इज़ नॉट यू साउंड. ठीक है. यूनिवर्सिटी, यूरोपियन, इट इज़ नॉट यूरोपियन, इट इज़ यूरोपियन. तो हेंस it is not the sound of vowels are not coming here. 1 rupee, here v sound is coming, not o sound. One-eyed person, hence a union, a university, a European, a 1 rupee note, a one-eyed person. Here the sound of pronunciation is yo or u sound, is a consonant sound. Okay, vowel से शुरू हो रहे हैं बट वो वॉवल की आवाज़ नहीं आ रही है, मीन्स वॉवल का प्रोनाउंसिएशन नहीं आ रहा है, वॉवल साउंड नहीं आ रहा है, एंड हेंस ए विल बी कमिंग इन दिस. ओके, आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस. नाउ नेक्स्ट, few exceptions to the above rule are the uncountable nouns like cold, noise, and pity, where article a is placed before them. Namita has got a cold. Don't make a noise, students. What a pity. Rama was exiled for 14 years. ये ऊपर वाले रूल्स का एक्सेप्शन था. मीन्स कोल्ड, नॉइस और पिटी के आगे हमेशा ए आएगा. ओके. आर्टिकल एन इज यूज्ड बिफोर अ सिंगुलर काउंटेबल नाउन starting with the vowel sound. An X, an egg, an ink pot, an ostrich. Here all are countable nouns, singular number, and they also begin with vowel sound, and hence here an will come. Okay. Certain words, sixth point, begins with H. Also take an before them, as the sound of H remains silent in the words, and we have to relate the sound of H with the second letter of the word, which is O, and O is a vowel. For example, an honest boy. You never say honest boy, you say honest boy. An honorable, you will not say honorable, you will say honorable. इसमें H का sound आ ही नहीं रहा है, and we always place and before the sound of vowel, and hence here sound of O is coming, and here an will come. Seventh, article A and an are used for jobs and occupations too. An architect, an engineer, an officer. Indefinite articles a and an are used before adjectives too. A new dress, an ugly girl, a brown sari, a 7-storied building. Exercise A. Fill up these blanks with a or an wherever required. Okay. First, dash food was prepared by experienced chef. Here, what will come? Here nothing will come. Okay. Here nothing will come. Neither a nor an. It will be like that only. It will start from food only. It cannot be a food was prepared by experienced chef, and neither an food. Okay. Second, lend me a 1 rupee note. Here an will not come because 1 में O का sound नहीं आता. Third, the teacher put him an easy question. Fourth, the child put an egg in a basket. Fifth, water is a necessity. फर्स्ट वाला ब्लैंक खाली रहेगा, उसमें कुछ नहीं आएगा. उसमें क्वेश्चन में देखो लिखा है ना ए और एन वेयर एवर रिक्वायर्ड. हर जगह रिक्वायर्ड नहीं है एक्चुअली, यहाँ कहीं जगह द आना चाहिए, बट एज वी आर नॉट फिलिंग द वी कैन लीव इट. ओके. फिफ्थ में पहला वाला ब्लैंक खाली जाएगा, then water is a necessity. Sixth, a teacher is an important member of the society. Seventh, a duck came out of the water and laid an egg. Eighth, there was an illustration in the book made by an eminent artist. Ninth, Kunal was sitting in a room when he hit upon an idea. 10th, Atul and his friends floated downstream on a raft. 11th, an Indian boy and a European girl got married last week. Now we will read the use of definite article the. Okay. When we refer a person, an animal, a place or a thing for the first time, we use a or an. But when the same person, animal, place or thing is referred again, we use definite article the. A ship sank into the ocean. The ship was carrying 2,000 people. Okay, पहले शिप पता नहीं था कौन सा शिप है, तो अ शिप, देन उसी डेफिनेट शिप की बात हो रही है तो द शिप वॉज कैरिंग। नेक्स्ट बी, वी यूज़ द when person or thing is quite obvious the boy is running last in the race. With noun, only one of its kind in the universe, मतलब कोई एक ही चीज़ हो जैसे सन मून। The sky looks beautiful with the rainbow. It is said that after million of years the sun will disappear from the world. With superlative degrees, the Ganges is the longest river in the India. Superlative मतलब longest, oldest, hardest, modest. Okay. Next, before the names of rivers, seas, oceans, mountain ranges, valleys, groups of islands, gulfs, canals, deserts, winds. For example, the Yamuna, the Caspian Sea, the Atlantic Ocean, the Andes, the Kashmir Valley, etc. Also before the names of well-known buildings. The Red Fort is made of red stone. Before the names of holy books, the Gita, the Bible, the Ramayana. Before the name of countries, if the name contains a common noun. The United Kingdom, the United States of America. यहाँ स्टेट्स और किंगडम कॉमन नाउन्स है। ओके, सारी नेम ऑफ कंट्रीज़ में नहीं आएगा द, जहाँ पे कॉमन नाउन होगा सिर्फ वही आएगा। बिफोर द नेम्स ऑफ ट्रेन्स, शिप्स, एरोप्लेन्स, द शताब्दी एक्सप्रेस, द टाइटैनिक। Before singular nouns and adjectives of quality to express the whole class. The cow is worshipped in India. Before ordinals, Neil Armstrong was the first man to land on the moon. The sixth boy in the queue is not well. Before phrases like last, next, only, Mahima never sat on the last bench. Who is the next boy? Before the names of newspapers, I read the Hindustan Times in the morning and the Indian Express in the evening. Okay, now this omission of article we will do in our next class. Please read till here again at your homes and complete the exercise also. Okay, thank you.